Introduction. In today's competitive world, starting a new business can be challenging, especially when it comes to choosing a unique business idea that has not been done before. However, with creativity, innovation, and market research, it is possible to come up with a business idea that is fresh, exciting, and profitable. In this article, we will explore some unique business ideas that have not been done before. 1. Virtual interior design consultancy. With the rise of e-commerce, more and more people are shopping for furniture online. However, many people struggle with visualizing how a piece of furniture will look in their home. This is where a virtual interior design consultancy can come in handy. The business will offer virtual consultations, where customers can upload photos of their home, and a professional interior designer will provide advice and recommendations on furniture placement, color schemes, and decor. The business can earn revenue by charging a consultation fee, referral commission, or by partnering with furniture retailers. 1. Smart city waste management. As cities continue to grow, waste management becomes a more significant challenge. Traditional waste management methods are often inefficient and environmentally harmful. A smart city waste management business could use sensors, IoT devices, and data analytics to optimize waste collection and recycling. The business could partner with local governments or private waste management companies to provide a more efficient and sustainable waste management solution. 1. Virtual wardrobe management. Many people struggle with organizing their wardrobes and creating new outfits. A virtual wardrobe management business could provide customers with an online platform where they can upload photos of their clothing and accessories. The platform could use AI to suggest new outfit combinations and provide organization tips. The business could earn revenue through subscription fees or by partnering with fashion retailers. 1. Sustainable fashion rental. The fashion industry is one of the most polluting industries globally. A sustainable fashion rental business could offer customers a more sustainable alternative to traditional fast fashion. The business could rent out high-quality, sustainable fashion items, such as clothing and accessories. The business could earn revenue through rental fees and by partnering with sustainable fashion brands. 1. Mobile farmers market. Many people living in urban areas struggle to access fresh, healthy, and affordable food. A mobile farmers market business could offer a solution by bringing fresh produce and other healthy food options directly to urban neighborhoods. The business could partner with local farmers and food producers to source the products and earn revenue by charging a markup on the products sold. 1. Green energy consulting. As more businesses and homeowners seek to transition to renewable energy sources, there is a growing need for green energy consulting services. A green energy consulting business could offer advice and solutions on solar power, wind power, geothermal, and other renewable energy options. The business could earn revenue by charging a consultation fee or by partnering with renewable energy providers. 1. Virtual travel concierge. With the rise of remote work, many people are looking to travel more while still being able to work remotely. A virtual travel concierge business could provide personalized travel itineraries, including recommendations for remote workspaces, accommodation, and local attractions. The business could earn revenue through a commission on bookings or by charging a subscription fee. 1. Edible insect farming. Insects are a nutritious and sustainable food source that is gaining popularity worldwide. An edible insect farming business could farm and sell edible insects such as crickets, mealworms, and grasshoppers. The business could earn revenue through selling the insects as food products or by partnering with food manufacturers to supply ingredients. 1. Personalized supplement subscription. With more people focusing on their health and wellness, there is a growing demand for personalized supplement subscriptions. A personalized supplement subscription business could offer customers customized supplement plans based on their individual needs and health goals. The business could earn revenue through subscription fees or by partnering with supplement